Hi Joanne, I just want to give you a quick tour so you knew where to get started, what I've done, and all that sort of good stuff. So I've got a product details page. Then I've got one with image only and one with tabs only. So you have some options. You can copy and paste these pages as many times as you want. They still load in the same tabs, but you can create as many different tabs as you want as well. And if you need to do that, just let me know. I'll do a separate video for you and sort of run you through the steps, when the time comes. No use giving you a bunch of information overload right now. But so here's the product details page. Basically, I've just taken the code and I popped it in here for you, and I modified the colors to match and that sort of a thing. And there you go, images supplied, so there's no holes to fill in, and you're good to go. Now to edit the tabs right here, you would go into the library, components, and right down here, tabs. Inside you'll find a details folder and then the details page. Now you can edit this in design view, pretty much just here's the first description. These are the tabs at the top, right? If you need to add more or whatnot, I do have a video that I can send over to you, but then each section of the tabs are sort of right down here below. And I've sort of commented it in the code as well if you need to add or remove different sections. So basically this is section 1, this is the section 2, and this is the section 3, and you can put whatever you want inside these areas. Right now we just have a paragraph, we have a table, and then we have some comments with a form, right? In the code view, it's actually broken down and commented, and the video tutorial that I have for working with the tabs goes into a lot more detail on what to do with these. But anyways, I didn't know how much information you needed. So I'll just send you the link to that tutorial anyways, and then if you need help, I'm right here. I can give you whatever sort of help you need. But if you do want to do any style changes, what I did is in the actual library page itself, the include page, I've actually embedded the styles for the tabs right into the page. Normally I put them into a separate style sheet, but because when I do these sort of things for a template, I do a theme style for that template. If I'm stealing code from another one and styles from another one, I'll embed it into the library page directly. The only reason being is that way we're not affecting any other pages in the site. We're only modifying how the tabs change in this one particular page, which is kind of what we want. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick tour. The fact that there are 3 different pages: details, image only, and tabs only. To edit, you would open up the details.html, and I'll also send you a link on how to get in and play around with these different sections. But if you think of it as, and it's hard to sort of see in the design view, that is why, when working with tabs, that's why I've put it in the code view. I have commented everything. So you can actually get in here and see this is this is tab 1 content, right? And then I have tab 2 content right here. And then down below I have tab 3 content, which is quite a bit because that's all the comment sections and bits and pieces, the tab 3 content. So I didn't know if you wanted to or liked to do this in the design view or the code view, but basically if you click anywhere in here, what you're looking for is the overall section is a tab pane, okay, and everything is sort of included in an ID. So we have details, review, and then review, details, and then up here we have description, right? And if you take a look up top here, it matches the tab. So we have description, additional information, which is details, and review, which is the review tab. So that'd be description, additional information, and review. Anyways, I probably yapped on long enough here. I'll send this off to you as a zip file. You can download it, and then once you get your hands on it and then you start having questions, just let me know.